Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video today. Today we are going to be doing some basic maintenance on a 1999 Honda Civic LX. So it's actually my buddy Rob's car, and he just bought it. How much you pay for it, Rob? Paid 1,800 bucks for it. It's in really good condition. Just need some basic maintenance done on it. So we went ahead and got some parts. Let me show you guys. Okay, so we went ahead and got a wire set, spark plugs, oil filter, cap. This is the rotor, cap and rotor, PCV valve and PCV grommet, so it starts to leak. Drain plug gasket, drain plug for the oil change, sparkies, and fuel filter and oil. Mitsu. Let's get started. Alright guys, we got some wire set with some cap and rotor and sparkies. So pull those out. Alright, so we got the old ones out. They don't look too bad, but they don't look great either. And then got some fresh NGK. Alright, so we got the screws out. I'm gonna pull this off. Cap and rotor. You can always tell too if you look at the little, like the little posts on it. If you look at the little posts, you see wear marks. Usually they get a lot worse, and you can start messing up a spark on it. So we don't know when it was replaced, so we're just gonna replace it. NGK, and we're also gonna replace the rotor. Alright, so we got the rotor off. Another sign is to see that wear mark, that burn mark. Usually these get really bad. So we are going to replace the rotor too. Get the cap on, I forgot the rotor. Put the wires on, they're all different lengths. So Rob is cylinder 1, this will be cylinder 2. Shortest to longest. Alright, so we're going to do the fuel filter now. So we're going to remove the lines first because it'll be easier with the bracket still on the car, and then there's a bolt that holds a band across the front. So filter on. You can always tell with a bad filter if you blow through one side and it's really hard to push through, and that's how you know it's clogged. It's really gummy, grimy. Alright, so we're going to replace the PCV valve too. His oil pan is leaking. There was some oil leak, so it did start to get oily, and usually plastic, when it gets oily, it deteriorates and can break. And with the PCV valve leaking or being bad, can create like a vacuum leak and can create issues later on. So we're just going to replace the PCV valve, and yeah. Alright, so we got that PCV valve on. It's really hard to see. It's down right there. Change the grommet on it. Put the oil filter on and new drain plug, and we're just filling it up with some good Mitsu. Alright guys, got pull the car back together, oil in it, and we had trouble with the wire set. We just didn't have it hooked up right, so we rewired it, and she starts now. I was about to start it. Yeah. What's going on, guys? So as you just saw, we finished up with Rob's car doing basic maintenance. So if you guys really like those videos, make sure to go check out my other videos doing maintenance and just kind of building cars. And if you do like those videos, hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure to like and comment. It takes a few minutes, and thank you. So I'll see you guys next time.